Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Guru. Kids, in this lesson, let's learn fraction addition. Kids, let's learn fraction addition of 8 over 9 plus 5 over 9. Relax, let me help you out with it. 8 over 9 plus 5 over 9. As the bottoms are same, that is 9. So, put answer 9 in the denominator. Now, add the top numbers. That is 8 plus 5. So, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So kids, 8 over 9 plus 5 over 9 is equal to 13 over 9. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.